Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Mazda CX-5 rear wiper blade. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself. First, locate the small plastic cap at the base of your rear wiper arm. This cap covers the arm's attachment point. Carefully remove it by pulling or prying it off. It usually snaps right off. Removing this cap is a crucial first step before you attempt to lift the wiper arm. Now that the cap is off, you can fully lift the wiper arm away from the rear window. Gently pull the arm upwards until it stands straight out, forming about a 90-degree angle with the glass. This position provides ample space to work on the blade itself. Be sure the arm is stable in this raised position before moving on to the next step. With the arm lifted, it's time to detach the old blade. Hold the wiper blade firmly with one hand. You will then need to rotate the blade itself, usually about 90 degrees, to align it with the opening on the arm's hook. Once aligned, gently slide the blade straight off the arm. It should release with a small click or a bit of gentle persuasion. To install your new blade, simply reverse the removal process. Slide the new blade onto the arm's hook until you hear a click, ensuring it's securely fastened. Then, rotate the blade back to its original straight position. Gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Finally, replace the small plastic cap over the arm's base, pressing it firmly until it snaps into place. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.